What up, everybody? Demon Aurelius. So, I changed my tie rods. As nice as those are, they're not long enough. I was looking at that. There was a pair of brand new ones on some end links. Well, what you call it there. So we're basically sitting. It's got, still got get toe in correct, but the back is all screwed, of course. Front is better than what it was. So, yeah. So I lowered her from the front, of course. Dropped the jack stands out from back there. Went ahead and moved everything somewhat level. I'm trying to get it somewhat of a level. That way, I can get up under here and play with these frame rail. See all that back there? I gotta straighten all this, especially that there. And it's not helpful being like that on the other side as well either. So, 2x4s. Good thing, right? So, we're gonna get to doing some of that as well. But for right now, I have to get out of the house depressed. It's been cold. I mean, rain off and on, off and on. Once this gets kicked out that way and goes down a little bit, that'd be a major part of that problem fixed. So, yeah, we're trying to get things together. Got some other stuff going on right now. Excuse all that other stuff. That stuff. But anyhow, drink water. Wash your hands so they don't look like mine. Like I've just been doing unnecessary things, sewage or something. I figured something out. That's from hand sanitizer. It dries my skin out and it just, yeah. Went to go see my son on Sunday. It was his birthday. He's 22. So, sorry about that. Yeah. So, his caregivers were surprised that he was as old as he was, and I've been there as long as I have. So, yeah. Anyhow, we're just getting some things together. We're going to be looking at some things as well. I know these because they're all old and dirty on the threads. I might actually pull those off and put the other ones on. I don't know quite yet what I'm going to do. But, while I sit here and mumble and try to end this video a second time so it'll be short and I don't do a 20-minute walk around talking about the same thing. Traumatic head injury. Cannabis helps you forget some things. Anyhow, yeah. I'm gonna start cleaning all this other stuff up. Need to pull those front wheels off. Might ask Chris if he has air pump. If he does, we'll grab a dolly or a wheelbarrow and I'll walk two of them over at a time. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyhow, we're going to get some more of these other things situated together. We're going to get under here together and especially on that side because it's even worse. And once that gets done, I do some a little adjusting. Those not long enough. So, oh well. So we got some other things we're gonna have to do. So pretty soon, it's starting to get warm again. I'll get my fan, start setting it up towards onto the radiator, start bucking all that up and install the electric fan, and pretty soon I'll go get a battery. I would have had a battery if I wouldn't have got my meds the other day. So, yeah, yay. But I've been able to move around. I've been feeling a little bit better. Been feeling a little happier. With that being said, remember, drink you some water. Wash your hands so they don't look like mines. Say hello to people's faces. If you don't want people coming up in your face fucking with you, right? So treat people the way you want to be treated. Have a good day. Drink you some water. Can't stress that enough. In the words of Sugar Free, be good or be good at it. Peace.